Hello, and welcome back to the Best Choice Review. Today we'll compare the Sony Xperia 1.4 with the Samsung S22 Ultra. Sony recently released its flagship phone of 2022, the Xperia 1.4. Soon after being released, this smartphone impressed tech fanatics around the world. But does it have what it takes to compete against Samsung's latest flagship release, the S22 Ultra? And which one best fits your needs? Choosing between these two market leaders is not easy, so we have compared these two smartphones head-to-head. We made this comparison based on durability, quality, performance, customer reviews, personal opinion, and more to ensure that by the end of this video, you choose the best option to suit your needs. Check the links in the description box below for more information and updated prices. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button for this video. Let's get started. Design. The Samsung S22 Ultra has a size of 163 by 77.9 by 8.9 millimeters and a screen size of 6.8 inches. The total weight of the phone is 229 grams. The large size and heavy weight make the S22 Ultra bigger than most smartphones in this range, so much so that you might have to use two hands to grip it. The phone has a flat bottom and top with curved sides, giving it an elegant look. The S22 Ultra has a satin rear, making it fingerprint resistant, so don't worry about smudges on this phone. The phone's sides are made with armor aluminum and the back and front feature Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, making the phone resistant to scratches and damage. On the other hand, the Sony Xperia 1.4 has a size of 165 by 71 by 8.2 millimeters, making it longer than its contender. It is generally a lightweight phone, weighing only 185 grams, so it's easier to carry around and use than the S22 Ultra. The phone has a 21:9 aspect ratio, which is a weird choice by the company since that does lead to a lot of squeezed-in views on the phone. The phone's right side features the typical Sony trademark, a two-stage camera shutter button. This makes the phone a perfect choice for photography enthusiasts as it becomes insanely easy to capture images in landscape mode with the camera button right on top. The front camera on this phone is featured in the top bezel, calling for uninterrupted pictures. On the other hand, the Samsung S22 Ultra has a punch-hole front camera, which has its pros like giving you a full screen, but it might be distracting for many users too. The S22 Ultra and the Xperia 1.4 are waterproof, with the former having an IP rating of IP68 and the latter having an IP68 and IP65 certification. As such, the Xperia 1.4 does get a slight edge here. The S22 Ultra comes in various colors, ranging from burgundy and phantom black to graphite and red. In comparison, the Xperia 1.4 only comes in black, purple, and white colors. All in all, this round goes to the Samsung S22 Ultra because of its bigger size, elegant look, fingerprint-resistant rear, robust covering, and the variety of colors it comes in. Even though the Sony Xperia 1.4 has a better IP rating than the S22 Ultra and is more lightweight, we can't deny that the extra features the S22 offers in terms of design make it more appealing in our opinion. Display. When it comes to the display of these two phones, both bring their own set of features to make the display impeccable. Both phones feature an AMOLED display, as all smartphones should at this point, with LTPO panel technology. The LTPO panel technology allows the phones to switch their refresh rates between 1 Hz and 120 Hz according to the function that you are performing on them. As such, much energy is saved when you're not doing power-extensive tasks on the phone. For the Samsung S22 Ultra, the AMOLED display is 6.8 inches and at 1750 nits, making it much more vivid and alive. It has a resolution of 3200 by 1440 QHD+, which is comparatively less than the other contenders in the market. With a price of around $1,200, it should have at least a 4K resolution in my opinion. The smartphone features a 19.39 aspect ratio, making it suitable for viewing most content. The only time when you might feel the aspect ratio is a bit off is when you use the phone in landscape mode to play games or watch videos. On the other hand, the Sony Xperia 1.4 has an OLED display with a 4K resolution. The brightness of the AMOLED is also a lot better than the previous model, Xperia 1.3. There's a 50% improvement. The phone features a 21:9 aspect ratio, which, as I mentioned previously, leads to many cramped up views on the phone. This round comes down to your preference, as both phones bring their benefits. If you want a 4K display, then the Sony Xperia 1.4 is suitable. However, you will have to compromise on the aspect ratio and AMOLED quality. Whereas, even though the Samsung S22 Ultra has a lower resolution, it's still good enough for everyday usage. The AMOLED brightness is high too, making the colors pop, and you get a somewhat good aspect ratio. Performance and features. The Samsung S22 Ultra features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor in the US. In the UK and Europe, the phone comes with the Exynos 2200 chip, which is a Samsung's chip. On the other hand, the Sony Xperia 1.4 comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor regardless of the territory. Even though the Exynos 2200 is Samsung manufactured, the Snapdragon offers much better performance. S22 Ultra's RAM starts at 8GB, whereas the Xperia 1.4 only comes with 12GB of RAM. The RAM and chip of both these phones allow easy multitasking. The performance during gaming on the phone is also impressive. However, Sony does take the lead here because it offers a Snapdragon in the UK and Europe too, whereas users of Samsung in these regions might not get the same impactful performance due to the Exynos chip. In terms of storage, the Samsung S22 Ultra offers a wide variety of options, including 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, regardless of region. On the other hand, Sony gives a 512GB if you are in the US and 256GB of storage in the UK or Europe. Apart from all of this, one noticeable feature of the Samsung S22 Ultra is the S Pen, which lets you make notes and sketch on the phone. Unfortunately, the Xperia 1.4 does not bring any such features. If you're in the US and nearby regions, we would go with the Samsung S22 as it offers a Snapdragon chip, a variety of storage and RAM options topped by the S Pen. On the other hand, in the UK or Europe regions, you might be better off with the Xperia 1.4, since the S22 Ultra comes with a less powerful chip. However, remember, the Xperia 1.4 only has 256GB of storage in the UK models, so it all goes down to your personal needs. Camera. A camera is an essential part of a phone. I know I would never buy a phone that isn't able to capture my favorite moments beautifully. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has a 108MP wide, 12MP ultra-wide, and twin 10MP telephoto camera. The camera's primary image sensors capture 0.8 micrometer and use pixel binding, combining multiple pixels into one large image to give a sharper and more precise image. The adaptive pixel technology integrated into the camera provides high image quality and lets you quickly focus on the objects you want to shoot. The overall color in the images captured by this phone are extraordinarily bright and vivid, making them pop. The twin 10MP, one with a 3x lens and one with a 10x lens, telephoto cameras easily capture clear, zoomed-in photos. The front camera is also a whopping 40MP, allowing for fully pixelated selfies. The video quality ranges from 8K at 24fps to 4K at 60fps. On the other hand, the Sony Xperia 1.4 comes with a triple 12MP camera. The primary image sensor of the camera can capture up to 1.8 micrometer of pixels. The phone features a camera app with many features to help you shoot the most visually pleasing photos. The overall colors of the image captured by this phone are natural and quiet, compared to the S22 Ultra's vivid ones. Even though the Xperia 1.4 does not offer a twin zooming camera, it does feature the first continuous optical zoom system in any smartphone, allowing you to shift from a 3.5x zoom to a 5.2x smoothly. The front camera of this phone is only 12MP, and the video quality goes to 4K at 120fps. So this round goes to the S22 Ultra because of the camera diversity it brings. The high video quality, the higher MP front camera, and the bright colors it captures. Battery. Both of the phones feature a 5000 mAh battery. On the Sony Xperia 1.4, this battery is eaten up much quicker due to the 4K screen. However, the Samsung S22 Ultra barely lasts a day on one single charge. Neither one of these phones comes with an adapter, which is underwhelming. The charge time on the phones is also unimpressive. Samsung S22 Ultra supports 45 watts wired charging, while Sony Xperia 1.4 supports only 30 watts. This round is a tie, since both phones fall short regarding battery life. The Samsung S22 Ultra does offer slightly faster charging, but the battery is eaten up in just a day, so there are no winners here. So, which one should you buy? As you can see, both of the phones offer almost the same value and are priced the same too, at around $1,200. However, the Samsung S22 Ultra brings some extra benefits and features. You should get the one that best suits your needs. And in my opinion, the region you live in should also be a deciding factor as to which phone you go for. The Samsung S22 Ultra is a better choice if you live in the US or nearby territories since it comes with the same Snapdragon chip as the Sony Xperia 1.4. It has better camera quality, vivid colors, and a bright AMOLED display. It also has a more elegant look and comes in a wide variety of colors and storage options. On the other hand, the Xperia 1.4 is a better choice if you're in the UK or Europe, since the S22 Ultra features a less powerful chip in these regions. Even though the camera quality might not be as good as Samsung's, it works well for everyday usage. The battery life is almost the same as S22 Ultras, and it is lighter in weight too. So it's a better choice to go for a more powerful chip so that the overall phone functions correctly. If you're still searching for the right phone, check out our previous video where we compared the Google Pixel 6a with the Nothing Phone 1. Thanks for watching the video. We hope we've helped you make the right decision. Let us know which phone you'll buy in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button on your way down. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!